Hey everyone, this video shows you how to add JavaScript on Squarespace step by step. Head to squarespace.com and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Squarespace dashboard showing all your sites. Click on the site you want to edit. This takes you into the admin interface for that specific site. Now, navigate to Code Injection Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Advanced. This will expand the Advanced Settings menu. In that Advanced menu, click on Code Injection. The Code Injection panel will open and you'll see three sections: header, footer, and order confirmation page. Decide whether to add your code in the header or footer field. Header loads the code in the head tag of your page, while footer loads it just before the closing body tag. If your script needs the page to load first, use footer. If it needs to run before the page renders, use header. Your JavaScript code must be wrapped in script tags before you paste it. Your code should look like this: opening script tag, your JavaScript code, closing script tag. Click in either the header or footer text box, depending on which location you chose. Paste your JavaScript code with the script tags included. Click Save at the top of the code injection page. Your changes are now saved, and the code will be included on every page of your site. Open your website in a new browser tab or incognito window to see your changes. If you don't see anything immediately, clear your browser cache. Squarespace caches some elements. Use browser developer tools by pressing F12 to inspect the page source and verify your code is loading in the right location. Keep in mind that when you're logged in, some code might not appear as a security measure, so testing in incognito mode is your best bet.